Hi, I'm Monique from Zhineng Qigong Students Hub. Regardless of whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced practitioner, let me show you how you can find everything you need to support your Zhineng Qigong journey, all in one place. Let's take a look. If you are new to Zhineng Qigong, you can start by getting your free starter kit on our website. Just click here. Here you can get introduced to Zhineng Qigong, download an ebook, a training video, an audio file for practicing on your own, and you can sign up for a live online session, all for free. Find upcoming Zhineng Qigong events in our event calendar, where you will see Zhineng Qigong courses available from all over the world. Find various Qigong centers and training programs in our resource center. Read up on interesting stories in the world of Qigong on our news page. Find just the right Zhineng Qigong teacher for you on our teachers directory. Here you can meet your teachers by watching their introductory videos. Browse through our variety of training videos and find the next Zhineng Qigong method you want to learn. Our videos are available in German, French, Dutch, and Spanish. I really hope that you found this video useful and that the Students Hub can continue to support you on your wellness journey. For direct links to our pages and the starter kits, look at the description box below. And to continue seeing more of our videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.